Hello, this is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax and Stewart. Today we're going to take you guys through a 2024 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer. Beautiful boat, just 60 engine hours on the twin 600 V12s. Black engines. This boat is the full coupe series. White hull side with a lot of black accents. Super sharp looking. We'll hop on board and take you guys through. As we spoke about earlier, we have twin 600 V12s here along the back. Sea Ray designed this boat with a very spacious swim platform, so easy access from port to starboard side. We have our dive ladder here along the starboard side. Stereo control, freshwater shower here along the starboard. And then we have a very great cockpit for entertainment. So nice little access here into the center of the boat. Off to the port side, wraparound seating with an optional table which is removable. We have a great prep station, electric grill, refrigerator, trash can, and some storage. More seating off to your starboard side. Beautiful design language into the entire boat. We have double stitched seats. This is the stone color by Sea Ray. We do have two separately controlled AC units, one here at the helm, one downstairs. This is the full coupe style. Great visibility all the way around. Lots of protection, but also opens up really nice. We have the sunroof up on top. Dual digital Simrad displays with C-zone switching, Mercury vessel view. We have roughly 60 hours on these engines. Mercury joystick, autopilot, all the great features you guys are used to. Co-captain's chair here on the port side. As we walk up to the bow, you guys will notice there is no step up. Provides easy access up with no tripping hazard. And then your social area is extended forward. We have great seating up here. We have a nice forward-facing lounger with armrests that pop up. And then this portion will come up as well. So if you'd like to sit up and have a conversation with those in front of you, you can. This boat does have a windlass anchor and spotlight. Again, this is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax. We'd love to take you through this 2024 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer. As you can see, she is in like new condition. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to give me a call at 561-635-6811.